Hey guys, welcome to Just for Fun 290. Today we're going to be looking at this Hot Wheels Shark Park. Alright, let's open this toy up and check it out. The first thing we're going to do is put batteries in, because this set does not include batteries. Ooh, pizza. Yes, I'd like one large pepperoni pizza, please. Okay, pull forward, sir. And then, if he wants to go on the Shark Park ride, goes up this ramp. In addition to this playset, we're also going to be opening up this Lights and Sounds Lightning McQueen. You want to go to an amusement park with me? Okay, let's go! It's right up here, buddy. Oh, look, pizza. I'll take one pistachio pizza. Sir, we don't have anything like that. All we have is pepperoni pizza. Okay, I'll have that. Alright, pull forward. Whoa! The pizza just flew out. Here, have some.
Oh, you don't know how happy I am to see you.
Alright, let's go on some rides. Ooh, scary. The Hall of Mirrors. Ooh. Ooh, I want to try next, Mater. Oh, I look so funny. Oh, I'm so excited. Alright, here we go. Woo! Hey, look, lightning. A shark is eating me. Now that's funny. Oops. A little help here. Mater. I'll be right there. Okay, Mater, here I come. Good news, buddy. I got out. Mater, I just realized something. I'm scared of heights. And I'm afraid of sharks too. Mater, help! Yes, I am scared. Don't worry, buddy. It's just a ride. Can't really hurt you. And how do I get out of here? Just press a button right next to you. What? This one?
Scared you, huh?
Phew. Am I glad to be out of there? Let's get out of here, Mater. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.